Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a cheese sandwich. So here I have a baguette, guys. As you can see, it is so long and it is so big. So this is my cheese that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some cheddar cheese, and that's like 1 pack, okay? So that's my butter there, my melted butter, and that's at least 1 spoonful, okay? So here I have some seasoning, some garlic powder, and some black pepper, and it's 1 teaspoon. And I'm also gonna add some tomato. As you can see, I slice it up, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my garlic powder and my black pepper to my butter. And after you add it, you just wanna stir it, just make sure everything is all combined. So first guys, my baguette is so big. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice it into pieces. Just make sure you get a sharp knife and you just take your time, okay? So I'm just gonna cut in the center of it all the way down. Just take your time. So as you can see, it is cut perfectly. So what you want to do, you're just going to take your hand and you're just going to pull it apart, okay? Like so. And I'm just going to carry on with the same process for this one. So they are finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my melted butter at the center of it. You can take a brush or you can always use a spoon, okay? Honestly, you guys is gonna enjoy this sandwich. It is so yummy, I'm telling you. It is so crunchy, it's garlicky, it's buttery, it's cheesy. Guys, this recipe is a must try. I'm telling you, it is absolutely delicious. So after I had my butter, now I'm just gonna add my cheese for all the cheese lover. Hello, I'm one of them. I love cheese. You just want to put your cheese right in there, guys. Just push it right down. So after I had my cheese, now I'm just gonna add my slices of tomato just right on top there on the side, as you can see. I'm just adding some more cheese on top. So after I add my cheese and my tomato, now I'm just gonna add some of my melted butter with garlic and with black pepper, and you just wanna drizzle it right on top of your sandwich, okay? Like so. So I am on my next sandwich, and guys, you just wanna carry on with the same process, okay? So as you can see, I add my sandwich to my baking tray, and I also add some baking paper. So I'm just gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 15 minutes and 150 degrees. And you can also take a foil and cover your sandwich, guys, okay? So the cheese will be able to melt properly, but it's optional. So I just removed my baguette from the oven, and that's what it look like. Guys, as you can see, the cheese is melt and it is nice and crunchy. I'm telling you, it smell amazing also. It smell like garlic bread. Yeah, it smell a bit like garlic bread, guys. So that's exactly all you want it to be. So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate, okay? So what I did, I just cut them in pieces, and guys, it just look amazing. This recipe is a must try. All your families, your friend will definitely enjoy this recipe. It is so good. So now I'm just tasting some of my cheese sandwich, and guys, it is yummy. It is yummy. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Please guys, share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit your notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed, keep laughing, and keep smiling. No matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye.